To install Flutter, go to the Flutter official website, flutter.io. Click on the Get Started, choose your operating system, and download the Flutter SDK package. Once Flutter is downloaded, unpack it. And now we have the Flutter installed on your computer. Next, you want to make sure the bin folder under the Flutter SDK installation folder is added to the system path. You can do that by editing the bash profile, vim.bash profile, and you can do export path equal to existing path with addition to home folder, downloads, Flutter, bin. Save it and source the bash profile again. Bash profile. Now you have the Flutter command available anywhere in the system. You can verify that by using which Flutter. It should print out the Flutter path. And you can now run the Flutter doctor to see if there's anything wrong in your system. Flutter doctor. In case there's anything wrong, it prints out useful information so you can diagnose.